Welcome to Zero Diabetes Zone. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic, tips for managing diabetes in children. Diabetes can be challenging, especially for our little ones. But with the right strategies and support, it can be managed effectively. Let's explore some practical tips to help your child lead a healthy and fulfilling life. Educate and empower. Knowledge is power. Ensure your child understands what diabetes is and how it affects their body. Use age-appropriate language and encourage them to ask questions. Empower them to take an active role in their own care, whether it's checking their blood sugar or making healthy food choices. Healthy eating habits. Nutrition plays a vital role in managing diabetes. Create balanced meals with plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid sugary snacks and drinks, and instead opt for healthier alternatives like fruits, nuts, and yogurt. Involve your child in meal planning and cooking to make it fun and educational. Regular physical activity. Encourage your child to stay active. Physical activity helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes overall health. Find activities they enjoy, whether it's swimming, biking, dancing, or playing a sport. Aim for at least 60 minutes of moderate activity each day. Monitor blood sugar levels. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels is essential. Make it a routine part of your child's day, and keep a log to track patterns. And make informed decisions about their care. Use the data to adjust their diet, activity, and medication as needed. Build a support network. Managing diabetes is a team effort. Connect with healthcare professionals, join support groups, and engage with your child's school to ensure they have the support they need. Educate teachers and caregivers about diabetes management to create a safe environment for your child. Focus on emotional well-being. Living with diabetes can be stressful for children. Encourage open communication about their feelings and provide reassurance. Seek support from mental health professionals if needed. And help your child develop coping strategies to manage stress and anxiety. Plan for emergencies. Be prepared for emergencies by having a diabetes management plan in place. Keep an emergency kit with essential supplies like glucose tablets, insulin, and a glucagon emergency kit. Teach your child and those around them how to use these supplies correctly. Stay informed and updated. Diabetes care is continually evolving. Stay informed about the latest research, treatments, and technologies. Regularly consult with your healthcare team to ensure your child is receiving the best possible care. Final thought. Managing diabetes in children requires dedication, education, and support. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can help your child thrive and lead a healthy, happy life. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Together, we can create a zero diabetes zone for our children. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.